Welcome back, beauties, to Beautyistic. Today, I've got something that might just change your nightly routine, especially if removing eye makeup feels like a battle every evening. We're looking at the Eye MITT by the Original Makeup Eraser, a pack of 4 reusable mitts designed to remove all kinds of eye makeup, even waterproof mascara and stubborn eyeliner, with just water. And yes, it comes with a handy little laundry bag to keep things tidy. So what exactly are these mitts? Each one is made from a specialized microfiber material that's gentle on delicate eye skin, but tough enough to lift makeup without scrubbing. They're reusable, machine washable, and suitable for all skin types. The concept is simple. Dampen the mitt with water, wipe over your eyelids, and watch your makeup disappear. No additional cleansers, no harsh chemicals, just water, and the mitt's fiber technology doing all the work. I tested these mitts over several weeks, incorporating them into both my morning and evening routines. First impressions? The texture is soft but dense enough to feel substantial on the skin, which gives confidence that it's actually cleaning and not just smearing makeup around. Waterproof mascara, which usually takes multiple wipes with traditional removers, came off in just a few gentle swipes. Eyeliner and shadow also lifted easily, though creamier formulas occasionally needed a slightly dampened mitt for full removal. One thing I really appreciated was how gentle they were on my under eye area. No tugging or irritation, which is crucial for sensitive skin. Now the pros. These mitts are eco-friendly and reusable, saving money over disposable wipes. They're effective on stubborn makeup and surprisingly easy to rinse clean after use. They're lightweight, travel-friendly, and the included laundry bag is a thoughtful touch for keeping them separate in the wash. On the flip side, some may find that really heavy or layered eye makeup needs a second swipe. Also, while the mitts are soft, they may feel slightly rough at first touch until broken in with water. As for value, considering you get 4 mitts plus a laundry bag, and that they replace a lifetime of disposable wipes, the price feels justified, especially if sustainability and skin sensitivity are priorities. Compared to other reusable makeup removers on the market, these mitts hold their own in both effectiveness and convenience. Their microfiber technology seems to outperform some cloth alternatives that don't remove waterproof formulas as efficiently. In terms of build quality and longevity, these mitts feel durable. After multiple washes, the fibers have held up well, and the mitts maintain their softness. The brand itself has a solid reputation for customer support, and while I haven't had to reach out personally, they're known for being responsive and helpful if needed. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other reusable cloths available, but many require additional cleansing products for waterproof makeup, which the Eye MITT eliminates entirely. That's a notable convenience and adds to the overall appeal. So here's my take. The Eye MITT by the Original Makeup Eraser lives up to its claims. It's gentle, effective, eco-conscious, and simple to use. It's ideal for anyone looking to streamline their routine without compromising on cleanliness or skincare. If you struggle with waterproof makeup or sensitive skin, this could be a game changer. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to grab your own Eye MITT is in the comments or description box. If you've already tried it, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.